Hello guys, Devante here. Just giving a testimonial on the iGen Amazon Wholesale Blueprint course, and just a bit of background on sort of what's happening with me and what I like about it. Basically, I started off doing OA actually through iGen as well. Picked up their course, doing quite well with it now, but felt I would need a bit more stability in terms of finding deals or having replenishables that I could easily replenish and not have the price tank and get them at good prices as well. So I decided to sign up to the wholesale course that Eamon recorded and runs. And yeah, so I've just basically kind of gone through the course and started to action a few things, and I think it's one of the best courses out there in terms of getting your head around what wholesale is and how to get involved. So it breaks down, what to do in terms of maybe setting up a website and other things along with what you need to get wholesale started. Sort of breaks down, how to approach vendors or distributors and what to look for, how to find deals within wholesale. And yeah, it generally just breaks down sort of mindset you need to have as well when it comes to getting into this game. So I'm quite happy with the course, and I think it's very good value for money, especially at this price. So yeah, because especially Amazon and wholesale, there's a lot of opportunity, and I feel that this course is generally a steal for the price it's at. But yeah, so definitely, if you're on the fence about signing on, take the lunge. It's not that expensive, and if you feel that is expensive for the value you're getting and the amount you probably will generate if you actually do stick to it and put the work in, it's indispensable, and can't recommend it more than enough. Just last week in February, went to the spring trade fair with Eamon, and it was a great experience just seeing him how to approach wholesalers, how to open accounts, sort of preparation needed to go to sort of trade shows like that. You have to sort of prepare beforehand and know who you're targeting and what they're selling, or have an idea of what you want to buy or what you want to sell wholesale and just hit them. So seeing Eamon in action and seeing how he worked really helped me sort of figure out how to go forward doing that. And yeah, just, going forward, I've sort of changed my sort of attitude and game to how I'm approaching the wholesale business too. But yeah, other than that, great course, and yeah, can't recommend it enough.